Today we're going to be taking a look and reviewing the U Air4 touch-controlled TWS earphones. Now before we get into the review, let me just make a quick note to you guys. If you have ever took a look at an audio product box, such as earphones or headphones, you may have noticed that the specifications that the manufacturer lists, such as the music playback time or the Bluetooth transmission distance, well, that information has been gathered through testing them out in open spaces, as well as testing out the music playback time while using between 50 to 60% volume consistently, or even lower. Now we on our channel, we test all of our reviewable audio products using 100% volume consistently. And we do also test the transmission distance indoors just to be able to gather as much truthful information as possible and not just read the false specifications on the back of a box, like some reviewers like to do, yeah. These particular earphones today do retail at £24, that's around 32 in US dollars. They do have the latest Bluetooth 5.1 chip, they shouldn't have any issues whatsoever connecting to some of the latest mobile phones, which by the way, that signal will differ when using an older smartphone. We are indeed using the Samsung S20 FE today, but again, in regards to the specifications, they do state that you will get a massive 100 hours usage. Wow! Obviously that is while recharging it with that charge case supplied, with up to 17 full recharges on the go. Hey. Now inside, everything comes very well protected. We've got the charge case, which, okay, it doesn't look out of this world or anything like that. It is in matte black, kind of bulky, which does protrude somewhat when it's in your pocket, with that big pebble-like design. Now it is indeed bulky because it holds that massive 2600 mAh battery, because that case also acts as a power bank too. When we do go ahead and move that water seal to the front, you can see we have that USB port, where we can go ahead, use that Type-C charge cable that's supplied, plug it in and charge our mobile phone, which I may add is relatively quick to do. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now to the right we do have that Type-C charge socket. It does take 1 hour 45 minutes to fully charge the case from flat. It has a magnetically sealed spring opening lid, and as it's noticeable, yes, we do have a full, very bright digital monitor display. That display does come with a 4-segment left and right earphone charge indicators, with each segment equaling 25% battery power. Central, there also is the charge case battery percentage. When the earbuds are placed within those deep embedded charge sockets, they 100% will not shake around when they're inside, and this is aided with help from that embedded lid too. Let's close it and open it back up. The earphones will go into pairing mode, and once you have initially paired the U Air4 earphones to your preferred device, it should take around 1 to 2 seconds to fully reconnect them to your mobile phone, which is super fast. The earbuds themselves, they do somewhat have an ergonomic design. When they are placed within your ears, they do fit in rather firmly. Some might say that they find them a bit pressurised, but not only do they stay locked in place with a proper good sound seal, and this is indeed because of the full-size ear tips already fitted, as well as those outer silicone ear supports being included too. We do have 6 spare ear tips within the box, we do have different sizes, as well as some spare ear supports. Now it is best to choose your preferred option, basically ones that will preferably fit your size of ear. This will not only bring you the best possible sound seal, but the best possible audio quality too. Now upon the earbuds, we do get dual ENC microphones by the way.
Now this is a prime example of what the microphone quality is going to be like when using these earphones when making calls or doing voice recordings like we're just doing now on this video. Now the lip sync, there's not much of an issue, there's about a slight delay, maybe a 0.2 second delay, but really even higher brand earphones do have that slight delay too. So when it comes to these earphones today, the lip sync is not an issue, but the clarity is almost spot on. Nice and loud pickup. That environmental noise cancellation actually does a real good job blocking out all the outside noise when you're on a call. Nice and crisp. And yeah, the microphones are pretty good.
Function wise, we do get all of our preferred touch functions, so we get to play pause call answering, the previous and next track selections, we also get voice assist, as well as volume control. Okay, we have been using the U Air4 earphones for a few days now. I have seen on a few websites within that time, people commenting that the ANC is not present with these earphones. I must admit, it's not, and neither were they advertised as being ANC too. In fact, they are advertised as being just noise cancelling. So basically what they're saying is that they only rely on the silicone ear tips and those silicone ear supports that are supplied to physically seal the earphones when they're placed within your ears and seal out the outside noise, which they actually do. Now, the outside noise did stay locked out while music was playing at around 70% volume, and in regards to that volume, I've got to be quite honest, it is quite loud. The bass is absolutely immense. Okay, it does drown out some of the treble tones. That is while playing certain genres of music like rock and roll, vocals do sound a bit stepped back, and while listening to hip hop, some of the instruments do sound a bit blanketed out too. Yes, I would say in all that the treble tones are just above average, with the mid tones that actually do sit quite fine, yeah. The Bluetooth connection while indoors, the signal isn't too bad, there wasn't any disconnection issues whatsoever, but when we did switch to the old Samsung S7 Edge mobile phone, because it's got older Bluetooth technology, it did differ with that connection. We did have a few disconnections now and again, so basically when we went out of the living room up the stairs, the signal would just cut off. But in regards to using the Samsung S20 FE, it really wasn't too bad, and in open spaces, we did get around 30 feet before that signal cut off. Music playback time, well, we did get 3 hours 54 minutes out of the 6 hours that was stated, that is while using 100% volume consistently. The charge case takes around 6% of that battery usage every time you single charge the earphones, so yes, you will indeed get around 16 full recharges out of the 17 that was stated on the back of the box. And yes, these earphones, by the way, are IPX8 waterproof, so they should withstand using them in rainfall showers. Now we are going to give these U Air4 TWS earphones a big 8 out of 10. We are not only going to base them within a budget range category, but the fact that we get a charge case with a digital display that also acts as a power bank for £23, that also includes really immersive bass that will get the rhythm of your heart bumping to the music. Well, honestly, I can't really grumble for that price of what you basically get within this package. Now I'm going to recommend them, and I'm going to leave a link in the video description down below. You can go and check it out for yourselves just now, and if you've liked what you've seen in this video today, well, why not go ahead and go get yours. While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video today. Please subscribe to this channel, making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. It's been fantastic reviewing these little earbuds this week, and we're going to be uploading a brand new tech review in the next few days, so stay tuned for that. But as usual, guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!